Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free, mainly beauty. This is Aria, my daughter. She's 6. We're gonna unbox the Melt mystery box. I did get the larger one. All right, so let's take the box out. It says fragile. So we have bubble wrap, which I'm gonna reuse to send some Mercari packages. I did pay for this my own money. I don't know what's in here. I also have only tried one product from Melt, which is their mascara. So first we have this cute faux leather green bag that says Melt. So it can be, I think you can have it like this. I just give me like Y2K vibes. And then maybe like a belt bag too. I know I look fabulous today. You can stop. And I have dryness here and it hurts and we're having snow day. So if you can see like the sunlight coming in, it's a snow day. So it has, let's see, Melt here, Melt here, Melt here. And a cute zipper here and a cute zipper here. It's like a double zipper, see? So you can open it like and close it 2 ways. So that's cute. And then little right there. Okay. It's like a mesh material on the inside. And I'll put how much it is supposed to be worth. So what do we get in here? Okay, all the products are in this one. Okay, so I see, oh, I have tried this. This is the only thing I've tried from Melt, I believe. At least it's the mascara I think I've tried. This is the Supernatural Lash Ultra Thick. This is the Supernatural Lash Beyond Natural Thickness Ultra Black Mascara. Oh my goodness, that's long. Full fanned out impact, intense ultra black pigments, volumizing natural fibers. And they're a vegan brand. So pretty cool kind of packaging. All right, it's a mascara.
Yay.
Yeah, it's full size. Max Hold Clear Brow Gel, makes sense. They didn't ask me like what shades or anything, so it makes sense that it's a clear brow gel, so that's cool. And then I'll open everything. And then, I don't know about these, and they're kind of like a 420 branch. I don't really like these stickers. I'll probably give these to my friend. These are some nail stickers. They have some stuffs on them. I don't really think it's appropriate for him. No. Then we have a Metal Bond gel liner. There's the packaging. And this is in the shade Penny. I might try to use this as like a cream shadow. I'm assuming it's gonna be like a Penny shade. But I'm gonna try to use this I mean, I can try to, I don't know if I've used gel liner, but I like this, I do like the shade. And then we have, ooh, one of their lip pencils. I wanted one of their eyeliners, but we're not done yet. So maybe. I almost got one. This is in the shade Bear. It's an ultra precision lip liner. So let's see if the shade matches the box. There we go. I've heard their lip liners are really good. Oh, it's not the longest pencil. So this is my ABH one, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and then this is so let me put the cap on, I'll show you. So there we go. But the shade, I don't have a shade like this that's that nude. And it is a sharpenable pencil. So that's exciting. I do like that the packaging matches. Sometimes it doesn't happen. And then we have, oh, I did get one of the eyeliners. This is all, by the way, the packaging is really nice. It's like kind of embossed. And then it's like a smooth, you feel it, feel the box. You feel the grooves and stuff. And then, so this is in the shade Caramel. Or Caramel, let me know how you say it. I'm so excited. I wanted to try one of these eyeliners and I almost got one. They were like, I think $19 each. Oh, this is even like kind of textures. It's cool. Ooh, let me see. That's the same. Okay, so there's, the lip liner is slightly shorter. I don't know if you can see. That is, I like that shade. It's interesting that it's textured. This one is not. This one's smooth. And then, okay, we have a brush. Does mommy have a lot of makeup brushes? Yeah. It came with this cool bag.
I want the bag.
You want the bag? I know, you always like the Ipsy bags. Ooh, and it says Melt cursive. This is the eye blend. Oh, it's kind of big. I might use this to either, not this eye. Ooh, it's very soft though, like super, super soft. I didn't know there was a cap behind there. This is like a huge blending brush, or I could use it as like a highlighter brush, but probably like to set setting powder, because this is definitely too big for my hooded eyes. gonna feel the brush.
Yeah.
So the 818 eye blend. And then, is this the last item? Let me see. I think this is the last thing. Ooh! It is very textured. I love this color. Gemini eyeshadow palette. It has some weight to it. I don't have any melt palettes. Never tried melt eyeshadows. Ooh, that's so pretty. Ah, and it's all textured. Look at that. I know this isn't new, but it's new to me. Ooh. I like the mirror. It kind of gives me Urban Decay, like their traditional naked palette, the naked eyeshadows. Well, the packaging. This is so pretty. This is like mommy's neutral palette. Very pretty. I love the embossing. Ooh. I'm not a Gemini. She is. Aria, look. I actually have a, well, you can't see, but I have a Gemini tattoo. I have her sign and her sister. I have their signs, their birth month flower, and their constellation for their, oh yeah, and you can make a little ring. Aria, what do you think about these shades? Are they pretty? They're cute names. Luna, Gemini, Lorelei, Polka Dot, Cupcake, Bonnie, Leo, Goals, Fire OG, and Mochi.
Lilo. I named something that.
Is that cool?
Yeah. Lilo?
My cat's now sitting down there. Yeah, Leo. I'm so excited to use this. I hope it doesn't get moldy. 2 shimmers. Oh, so pretty. I'm so excited. So let's go over everything. Okay, so we got an eyeshadow palette. I believe this is like $50 something, but I'm sure they do sales. And then we got, you know, this bag, which is, it does feel like really nice quality. We got an eyeliner. We got a gel liner. We got a brush. We got a full-size mascara, full-size brow gel. We got a lip liner. And we got these nail stickers. So I think it definitely was, I think it's worth it. I am really excited. I thought this would come sooner, but like I think I ordered this, I don't know, like a week and a half ago. I'll put the date on the screen. Sorry I look some hot messy, but I've been doing stuff with the kids. I'm not wearing a stitch of makeup. I am wearing sunscreen. So Aria said she wanted to unbox this with me. I did ask her. I don't like putting my kids in a lot of my videos. And also this is a beauty channel. So, but yeah. So as always, stay safe, healthy, and always do something that makes you happy. My form of self-care is beauty. In order to take care of others, you need to take care of yourself.
Subscribe and like to this channel.
I didn't even know she knew what subscribers were until yesterday. You told me subscribers. She goes, Mommy, are you vlogging? And then liking, having a YouTube channel. And we'll see you in our next video.